Hello everyone, welcome to Lexus of Edmonton located on 170th Street. Today I'm going to show you the 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee in Velvet Red Pearl. Under the hood you have a 3.6-liter V6 engine delivering 295 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The iconic 7-slot Jeep grille with chrome accents pairs beautifully with the sleek LED daytime running headlights. This particular model is sitting on 18-inch alloy wheels. Moving to the front cabin with keyless entry into the vehicle, your door panel has power windows, mirrors, and door locks, and your memory seats down below. To the left of the steering wheel, you have your headlight controls and brightness, as well as your gas tank release button. The heated and ventilated cabin seats are wrapped in premium leather, and the driver's seat offers 8-way power adjustments and 4-way lumbar support. The leather-wrapped steering wheel comes equipped with all the digital controls, including driver information, voice command, phone calls, audio, and cruise control. Up front is your digital instrument cluster displaying all important information at a glance. In the center is a touchscreen infotainment center with navigation, climate controls, Apple CarPlay, voice command, Bluetooth, as well as your rear camera display. You also have your manual options for climate control, different drive modes, and your electronic park brake. A storage compartment with USB ports. In the center you have your shifter, dual cup holders, and down below that you have your traction management controls and dial. Center console for storage, as well as options to install rear seat entertainment systems. Your rear view mirror and your sunroof controls and dials, as well as a sunglasses holder up top, and full panoramic sunroof for all the passengers to enjoy. The rear cabin is also wrapped in premium leather, offering a very spacious and comfortable ride. In the center you have a folding armrest that also acts as a dual cup holder, rear climate control, and charging ports. It also offers a 60-40 split folding rear seats to allow for expanded cargo space. Moving to the rear, you can release the liftgate manually or on your key fob. The trunk offers generous storage space, which can be expanded up to 68 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded down. Under the floor bed also offers additional storage cubbies, as well as your spare tire and tools. On the left side, you also have your power liftgate button. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton today so we can find a vehicle best suited for you.